In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix could not connect to the Steam network. We'll move through a set of practical fixes, starting with quick cleanup steps and ending with a safe reinstall that preserves your games. Follow along and pause as needed. Start in Steam settings. Open Downloads and click Clear Download Cache. This clears potentially corrupted data that can block connections. Steam will sign you out and restart, so be ready to log back in afterward. Next, still in Settings, go to In-Game and delete Steam's web browser data. Steam includes a built-in browser used for store and community pages, and clearing its cache and cookies can remove stale entries that interfere with sign-in or network handshakes. Then head to Settings, open Storage, select each Steam library folder, and choose the option to repair the folder. This checks folder permissions and structure. It doesn't remove your games or saves, it just fixes issues that can cause update or connection hiccups. While you're in Downloads, change your download region to a nearby but less busy region. Sometimes regional servers are congested. Pick an alternative close to you, apply the change, and restart Steam to test. If you've opted into the Steam beta client, opt out for now. In Settings, locate beta participation and select None. The stable client often avoids connection bugs introduced in test builds. Restart Steam after changing this. On Windows, try running Steam as an administrator. Close Steam completely, right-click the Steam shortcut, and choose Run as administrator. If Steam offers to repair the Steam client service, allow it. This service handles updates and permissions, and repairing it can restore normal connectivity. Before any reinstall, back up your Steam Apps folder, which contains your game files. Copy it to another drive or a safe location. Now uninstall Steam, reinstall the latest Steam client, and then restore the Steam Apps folder back into the new Steam directory. Launch Steam, and it should detect your existing games. If any titles show as install instead of play, start the install to the same library location and Steam will quickly verify the existing files. That's it. Thanks for watching.